Oh.
No, Chelsea.
Kennedy wants to help Chelsea. Just make sure. Did you give her the money ones? Did you hide those?
I don't know.
Chelsea, I see another egg.
I think so, yeah.
I see another one over here. Look, Chelsea. Look where Mommy's pointing. You gotta get on the couch and get it.
You got it? Oh, what's in there?
Oh!
What? Are you getting M&Ms?
Yeah.
Mommy!
What?
It's just M&M's she's eating.
Okay. Chelsea, I see some more that Daddy's going to have to help you get. And crazy hair.
There's more.
I see more. Look up. Look up. Over there.
Look up high.
I don't know.
Look over there. Look up high. Over there.
Do you see anything up there?
No.
You don't?
Why don't you hold her and show her?